Let us travel to a young state of India, Jharkhand, literally meaning the land of forests, where 25% of the population is indigenous. This rich and diverse state is home to Seeds, a movement that began in 1995 with the mission of enabling and empowering the excluded communities, especially the indigenous, women and children. From a humble start with 50 villages, Seeds now reaches to over 750 villages and hamlets, impacting the lives of thousands. The Santhals, one of India's oldest tribes, proudly preserve their cultural heritage. Nature worshippers, they rely on forests and agriculture. Despite living amidst resources like copper and uranium, poverty shadows their vibrant lives.
In course of time, we focused with the poor women that they should know their rights and assert firmly to attain these rights.
Seeds had started with building the capacity of the poor to meet their basic needs with food, clothing and shelter, improving their economic status, health and education.
मैं सीड्स का क्लस्टर लीडर हूँ। बहुत मुश्किल से हमको मैंने दिन गुजरना पड़ता था। 3 बच्चा का भरण पोषण करना, पढ़ाई करना। सीड्स के ओर से हमको काम करने का अवसर मिला। इसके बाद हम 2000 से जुड़े। हम धीरे धीरे मैंने मेरा डर सब खत्म हो गया। बोलने के लिए भी हम सीखे। लोगों से बात कैसे करेंगे, कैसे मिलेंगे, कैसे समझेंगे। धीरे धीरे हमको प्रशिक्षण के माध्यम से हमको सीख मिला। सीखने के बाद हम अकेले फिर अपना अपना गांव जाते हैं। वहाँ महिला के साथ हम लोग मीटिंग करते हैं। जितना भी महिला का समस्या सब होता है तो महिला लोग से हम लोग खुल के बात करते हैं। तो महिला लोग अपना बात को बताती है। करीबन हम 3000 महिलाओं से हम जुड़े हैं और पुरुष मेरा 200। 14 गांव में से मेरा 5 चयनित गांव में से मेरा 1 मॉडल विलेज है।
Seeds partnered with KFB to improve the status of adolescent girls by focusing on their education, health, and right age at marriage. Today, the focus has expanded.
The work of Seeds is rather extraordinary. On one hand, they are making women, indigenous women, really empowered. That means that the work here is done by the cluster group leaders. They are working together in such a way that they go to the offices of the administration, to the police, and there they ask and fight for their rights.
In tribal society, women shoulder the bulk of household and agricultural tasks. Gender workload exercises done by Seeds show that women juggle over 30 roles compared to men's 3 to 5.
पहले तो मुझे भी बहुत डर लगता था घर से निकालने का टाइम। पहले मैं घर में रहती थी, कुछ काम भी नहीं करती थी, खाली घर का ही जो काम होता है वही सब करती थी। और 2017 से जब मैं जुड़ी, बाहर निकली तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके समझ में आया। फिर हम लोग को प्रशिक्षण भी मिला। प्रशिक्षण के बाद हम लोग को बहुत सारे जानकारी भी मिला। पहले मैं महिला को कैसे समझाऊंगी उसका भी मुझे आइडिया नहीं था। और हम लोगों को लक्ष्य है 2000 महिला तक पहुंचना। उसमें मेरा 1000 महिला तक हम पहुंच पाए हैं। हम लोग का पुरुष का लक्ष्य है 300 पुरुष। इस तरह से मैं आगे बढ़ने लगी और महिला को भी समझाने लगी। बहुत सारे महिला मेरे साथ जुड़ी हुई है और हमको साथ देती है और हम भी उन लोग का साथ देते हैं।
Indigenous women do all work inside and outside home, barring just 2 jobs that are taboo for them, visit plowing the field and making rooftops.
Currently, we touch upon 12 of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Here, we focus on 2. Firstly, SDG 5, that is gender equality in terms of wages, status, decision making, doing household work, education, and governance. Secondly, SDG 16, peace, justice, and institutional building, striving to put a stop to gender-based violence and restoring peace and justice to women, their families, and society, plus strengthening indigenous institutions and providing justice. It is encouraging that through our constant endeavors, we have been able to make a dent in the behavior, attitude, and practices of men. We surely appreciate their efforts and cooperation in quashing the age-old practices of a patriarchal society.
SEEDS has been championing gender equality through interactive workshops, encouraging men to share responsibilities at home. SEEDS conducts sessions with groups of men to ensure a gender equitable environment within families. The outcomes are very encouraging. Change is visible, change in knowledge, attitude, and practices of men is clearly perceptible. There are 9 types of domestic work which men have started doing, such as fetching water, chopping vegetables, cooking, taking care of children, sweeping, washing their own clothes, etc.
One other important work they are doing is that they try to bring peace and harmony to the communities and to the villages. They are trying to make model villages. Model villages, that means in this village, men and women should be equal. Boys and girls both should go to school, and really you don't find any more children who don't go to school. You don't find child labor in these villages anymore. Even the way how the housework is distributed between men and women, these are actually the only villages I know where men and women are working together, cooking together, bringing water, whether the man or the woman, there's no difference. I think that's really very, very special about SEEDS.
In the 8 model villages, 954 homes display compliance with gender equal practices. As a recognition, the compliant homes display small achievement cards, and women sit alongside men in leadership meetings. In 2018, a survey covering 11,000 households revealed over 1,900 cases of domestic violence. Alcoholism and relationship issues were key contributors. SEEDS stepped in, advocating for women's rights and supporting the victims of violence by restoring their rights. More than 3,000 indigenous women were trained to make them aware about the 4 different types of violence, to raise their voice against oppression and work relentlessly to get justice. While 80% cases are of domestic violence, caused largely due to alcoholism, 10% cases are of bigamy, 8% of extramarital relations. It is good that nearly 90% cases get solved within the family and the village, all at behest of the cluster women leaders and barefoot counselors. In complicated cases, they go to the police station. The police personnel lend full support and cooperation. It is a new development in this part of the country for village women to bring to light atrocities and exploitation that they are facing at the home front. Today, SEEDS envisions alcohol-free villages and homes where equality thrives. Happy families and confident women stand as a testament to this change.
The path to end inequality and GBV, that is gender-based violence, seems long and arduous. Well, it is. We gratefully acknowledge the strong and continued support of the Catholic Women's Movement Austria, which has enabled us to steer ahead in this journey of equality, peace, and justice on earth. Thank you, KFP. The journey continues.
SEEDS continues to plant the seeds of equality, peace, and justice, nurturing a future where every individual has the chance to grow, flourish, and thrive. Together with the community, we are shaping a world where opportunities have no boundaries and dreams have no limits.